Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you're all okay. My name is Vic. And as everybody's talking about the Leanbiome on the internet, I've decided to come here real quickly just to clarify all of your questions about it, tell you what is truth, what is not, and also share with you guys a really important alert that you must know before I actually purchase this supplement, so stay with me. But I was advanced and I left you the link for the official website just below in the description of my video in case you need it. So all you have to do is go to the description box and click on the link below, then you will go directly to their official website where you can find all the complete information about it. But I really recommend you guys to stay with me until the end because the alerts will be available only here on this video, okay? So folks, the Leanbiome is a dietary supplement designed to help people to lose weight. You know that sometimes even though you're doing crazy diets or exercises, nothing's working for you because you're not working on the root cause of your problem. And the scientists discovered a new cause for the weight gaining, which is the bacteria in your gut. So the Leanbiome will help you because it will repopulate your gut with microbiomes that can eliminate all of the bacteria, and then your body will finally start flushing out fat. Because when your gut is full of bacteria, you know that your organism will not work correctly, so your body will start your body will start storing fat, you know. And then when you repopulate your body with microbiomes that can really help you to be healthier, your body will understand that you're healthier now, and then we'll start flushing out all of the fat inside of it, all right? And the best thing about the Leanbiome is that it is 100% natural. That means it has no chemical composition in the formula, only natural and organic ingredients like plant and herb extracts, vitamins, nutrients, and minerals that will do just that for you, all right? It will even boost the levels of energy, speed up your body's metabolism, give you more satiety, give you a better and improved sleep, all of that in just one supplement, guys. But of course, to see all of these results, you must be committed to it and take it every single day. Otherwise, you won't see any results and you will feel very frustrated about it. The minimum treatment is of 3 months, but you can also do the complete treatment of 6 months if you want to lose more than 10 pounds, for example. And in addition to all of these benefits, they offer you a 180-day money-back guarantee. So you can actually test it for 6 months, and if you don't see any results, all you have to do is go to the official website and ask for a refund, and they will give you 100% of your money back. So you will have nothing to lose here, guys, only benefits for you, okay? And my alert for you is that there's just one place you can purchase the original product, and that is the official website. So it's not possible to buy it in drugstores or other websites, only on their official website. So remember that to help you out, I left the link just below in the description of my video, and that is the only place you can buy the original supplement from. Nowhere else, so keep that information in mind, all right? And this is great information I wanted to share with you about the Leanbiome, guys. Thank you so much and see you guys around.